Night falls, and the hunt begins. Hello everyone, I'm Hunter. Got a new task yesterday. To help clear rats in an urban village. A fan told me. This urban village has 10,000 rats. Whenever night falls, that's when their nightmare begins. Tonight, I have to see what's really going on. Here we go. The rats here are really different. They even climb trees. First operation tonight. Must not let it escape. Right here. Handle according to law. Dead on the spot. Found a flying rat here again. Enough nagging. Goodbye. Nice, another headshot. Straight headshot. My skill is scary, even to myself. Hey, found another one. Close up, simple and plain. One hit kill. Alas. Startled. This one is too small. Let it go. Hi, boy. What are you doing? You. Speak. There should be many rats here. I smell something. Right here. Excuse me. Another perfect headshot. Started dancing inside. Hi, boy. Want a midnight snack? Just caught very fresh. Not quite dead yet. Still dancing inside. Too late. Hungry. Let's clean up first. Halftime break. Halftime break. Starving. Let's fix a quick snack first. Eat well, then go back to keep clearing rats. Can you guess what we're going to eat tonight? Makes my mouth water just looking at it. Well fed and watered. Now continue rat extermination. What time is it and still not asleep? Going to bed too late? Execution. It seems like he's dead. There was one just now. Ran behind this wooden board. Look for it. Hey. Damn, hiding here. Let it escape again. Electrician mouse. So late. There are also electrician mice. Good night. One law into the grave, and another one bites the dust. Found a corn stack. See if any rats are stealing corn. Goodness, what a huge one. Theft. Execution. Hit. Headshot. This one is big. Hit on the head, once not dead yet. Ran too fast, executed. Haha, successfully got a rat king. So big. Dancing hip-hop on the street. Really huge. This one, almost 1 pound in weight. Let me show you how large it is. Tonight we exterminated a total of 8 rats. All put into this bag. Then took it to the roadside. Tomorrow the sanitation workers will clean it up. That's it for today's video. It's about to rain. See you next time. Bye-bye.